Thank you very much. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Let me start by congratulating the entire team of the Brew Tribe, Mr. Sampath, all your other colleagues, team members. I completely endorse what Ms. Sanjana and Mr. Muralidharan mentioned, that this is an idea which just cannot go wrong, given the fact that people in these parts particularly are they consume multiple cups of teas and coffees throughout the day, whether it is the south, north, east, west. And people are also not so price conscious about these matters. In fact, people are now more and more discerning about quality. And the way you explained, if you are able to standardize your product, right now, of course, it is only one outlet that you have, but when you are scaling up, if you are able to, and you are also looking at the franchise model, if you are able to standardize the product, ensure that the right kind of raw material and all the components are used, you are going to really capture the market. In fact, this is a concept which definitely will have very good receptivity amongst the consumers. And this idea of coffee on the go also gives you right kind of flexibility. In fact, it's a very smart idea that you are not tied up with fixed assets. You have the flexibility. If suppose in some neighborhood the demand is not there, you have the flexibility of moving away. So in that way, it's also a demand driven kind of an enterprise, which makes lots of business sense. In fact, I'm really wondering why there are so many other consumables also, which perhaps can follow the same model. Instead of investing in fixed assets, this kind of a light asset model will work very well. So I'm happy that you are making a beginning from today. The range of coffees that you are going to offer will be one of the USP, because as I said, you have a very discerning market now. People are not going to accept just any coffee or any tea, and given the fact that, as you know, there are lots of these new kind of shops, coffee shops which have opened, cafes that have opened, and one of the main features which help them attract more and more clientele is the variety that they offer, because lots of people also prefer to try out new things. Coffee, as we all know, is a global product. There are some very, very strong following of coffee which has originated, for example, in Brazil or Latin America or elsewhere in the world. And gradually, if you are able to try out some of these varieties also, maybe that also will help you attract newer kind of audience. I was hoping to get a cup of coffee, but I was kind of put off when you mentioned that you are only targeting the 20 to 40 age group. So maybe you can give me some water and then I can carry on. Thank you very much.
Please join us on the dais. May I request Beena ma'am and Sheshafani ma'am also in giving sir a small token of gratitude. Thank you so much, sir, on behalf of complete the Brew Tribe. Sir, join us just for a photograph, please. Let the applause keep continuing. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.